5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
LaunchLearning is a supplemental classroom tool that's designed to be as easy as possible for any teacher at any grade level to use to add to what they're already doing in their classroom. There's a lot of different pieces to LaunchLearning, from an online database of pre-written activities and lessons and videos, to live streams with our science educators, field trips to the Cosmosphere, after-school programs of several weeks of content, and interviews with subject matter experts. Our hope is that you, the teacher, can take whatever you need to use in your classroom in whatever way you need, whether that's an activity for something you're already teaching or wholesale lessons to incorporate into your curriculum. And if you can't find what you need, we're always happy to take requests and see how we can work with you. So check out LaunchLearning and see how it can work for your classroom.